Next we discuss sums on defects of vision. So first problem, a person needs a lens of power minus 5.5 diopters for correcting his distant vision. For correcting his near vision, he needs a lens of power plus 1.5 diopter. What is the focal length of the lens required for correcting distant vision and near visions? Now we solve both the case for the different power of a lens. First we take a power which is minus 5.5 diopters. Here minus indicates the lens is concave lens. So the defect is myopia. In myopic eye, we need to correct the distant vision. That means a myopic person cannot see the far away objects, but he can able to see the nearby object. So the myopic person need to correct the distant vision. Power of a lens which is used for correcting the distant vision, which is equal to minus 5.5 diopter. Now we find the focal length of the required lens. F is equal to 1 by P. Already we know that power of a lens which is equal to 1 by focal length in meter. So now substituting the value for T, F is equal to 1 by minus 5.5, which is equal to minus 0.18 meter. The focal length of the lens for correcting the vision is minus 0.18 meter. Here minus indicates the lens is concave lens. And the second conditions, the power of a lens is plus 1.5 diopter. So which lens we use? Here plus indicates the lens is convex lens. So the defect is hypermetropia. The hypermetropic person can see the far away object, but he cannot see the nearby object. So he need to correct the near vision. The power of a lens used for correcting the near vision is equal to plus 1.5 diopter. We need to find the focal length. F is equal to 1 by power of a lens. Now substituting the value of P, F is equal to 1 by 1.5, which is equal to plus 0.667 meter. The focal length of the lens for correcting the near vision is plus 0.667 meter. Here plus indicates the lens is convex lens. And the second problem, make the diagram to show how hypermetropia is corrected. The near point of the hypermetropic eye is 1 meter. What is the power of a lens required to correct this defect? Assume that the near point of normal eye is 25 centimeter. A person suffering from hypermetropia, he can see the distance object clearly, but he cannot see the nearby objects. So he need to correct the nearby visions. It happens because eye lens focus the incoming divergent ray beyond the retina. So the image is formed behind the retina. This defect of vision is corrected by using convex lens. This is a hypermetropic eye. N dash is the normal near point vision. That means the distance between these N dash and eye lens is equal to 25 centimeter. That means near point of the normal eye is 25 centimeter. Here N is the hypermetropic person of near point. So the distance between the N and eye lens is equal to 1 meter or 100 centimeter. Now we need to correct the near point visions by using convex lens. After wearing the convex lens, the near point vision is corrected and the image is focused on the retina. Now we solve the problem. The near point of hypermetropic eye is 1 meter. What is the power of a lens required to correct this defect? Assume that the near point of the normal eye is 25 centimeter. So the near point of the normal eye is infinity. So we take a u is equal to minus infinity. So minus indicates the object is in front of the eye or eye lens, and the near point of the hypermetropic eye is 1 meter. V equal to minus 1 meter, which is equal to minus 100 centimeter. Minus indicates in front of the eye or eye lens. Now we need to find the value of focal length and the power of lens. The lens formula is 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F. Now substituting the value of V and U. The value of V is minus 100 and the value of U is minus 25. This minus and this one have to cancel, take a plus. Have to interchange these two values. 1 by 25, I think here it is a plus 1, and we take a LCM. The LCM is 100. Here 4 minus 1 in this value, that is we have to take a plus, it is not a minus. After solving these equations, F is equal to 100 by 3, which is equal to plus 33.3 centimeter, which is equal to 0.33 meter. Now we find the value of power of a lens. P is equal to 1 by F in meters. Now substituting the value of F, T is equal to 1 by 0.33, which is equal to plus 3 diopter. A convex lens of the power plus 3 diopter is required to correct the defect.